Darwin Dilemma, Outdated Theory in a New World of Science. Charles Darwin published on The Origin of Species in 1859. That's over 160 years ago, long before DNA was discovered. 1953. The structure of the cell was understood. Genetics, biochemistry, molecular biology, or quantum physics even existed. To put it in perspective, Darwin died in 1882, before electricity was even used in homes. He was working with crude microscopes, no understanding of genes, mutations, or cellular machinery. The best guess at the time, life was made up of simple blobs of jelly. That's right. The simple cell Darwin thought was the starting point of life, modern science has shown it to be a microscopic metropolis. Thanks to powerful tools like electron microscopes, atomic force imaging, and CRISPR-level gene editing, we now know the cell is a data storage center with billions of digital bits, DNA, a factory floor with machines, proteins, folding, cutting, transporting, a power plant, mitochondria, generating electrical energy, ATP, a defense system, postal service, repair crew, and waste manager, all in one. It's not primitive goo, it's precision engineering at nanoscale levels we still can't replicate. Darwin's own words condemn his theory. Darwin himself admitted, if it could be demonstrated that any complex organ existed which could not possibly have been formed by numerous, successive, slight modifications, my theory would absolutely break down. Well, we now know that such organs do exist. Countless examples, like the bacterial flagellum, a tiny rotating motor with parts like a rotor, stator, and drive shaft, the human eye, the blood clotting cascade, the immune system DNA error correction mechanisms. These are all irreducibly complex. They don't work in parts. They need to be complete from the beginning, or they're useless. Which means Darwin's theory has absolutely broken down. But many refuse to update their beliefs because it's too embedded in academia, textbooks, and popular culture. Science has moved on, but the narrative hasn't. While the public still clings to the comforting story of evolution, the real science has moved far beyond it. Top researchers in fields like bioinformatics, quantum biology, systems design, information theory are discovering that life is not random. It's informational, intentional, and interdependent. Cells process data. DNA stores instructions like a language. Proteins fold with precision timing, error checking, and repair protocols. That's not chance. That's design. Closing insight, you were never a mistake. Darwin lived in a time of candles, not code. He looked at birds and beaks, not molecular blueprints. He asked good questions for his time, but his theory can't survive the modern microscope. We now have the tools Darwin never dreamed of, and they're not showing a random, chaotic climb from sludge to soul. They're showing something far more radical, that life is wired, ordered, orchestrated, and so are you. If you ever doubted your purpose, or feared you were just here by accident, remember this. You're built with such complexity, delicacy, and brilliance that even our most advanced technology still struggles to imitate you. You don't need to evolve into something meaningful. You already are.